In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PNG with transparent background in Affinity. If you've ever exported a logo or icon and ended up with an unwanted white box behind it, this will fix that for good. We're going to set the document to be transparent and then export a PNG that keeps that transparency perfectly. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. With your document open, head to the top of the screen and open Document Setup. Depending on your layout, you might find it in the toolbar or under the File menu. In the Document Setup window, switch to the Color section. Here, enable the option for a transparent background. Turning this on tells Affinity to treat the canvas as see-through rather than white. You'll likely see a gray and white checkerboard behind your artwork. Don't worry, that checkerboard won't appear in your final image. It simply indicates transparency. Before you confirm, take a quick glance at your Layers panel. If there's a solid rectangle or background layer sitting behind your artwork, it can still create a visible fill when you export. Hide or remove any intentional background shapes you don't want, so only the artwork you want to keep is visible. Once everything looks right, click OK to apply the transparent background setting. Now it's time to export. Go to the top right and click Export. If you don't see that button, you can also use File, then Export. This opens the export window where you choose your format and options. Select PNG as your format. PNG supports transparency, which is exactly what we need. In the export options, choose the area you want to export. Whole document works if your artboard is sized correctly, or you can choose selection or selection without background if you've highlighted specific objects. Leave the color profile at its default unless you have a specific requirement, and keep the resolution and size as needed for your project. If a preview is available, you should see your artwork on a checkerboard, confirming the transparent background is being preserved. When everything looks good, click Export, pick a save location, name your file clearly, and save. After exporting, a quick way to confirm transparency is to place the PNG over a colored background or dark layout in another app. You should see only your artwork with no visible box or fill behind it. And that's it. You've set your document to be transparent and exported a clean PNG ready for websites, presentations, or design handoffs.